Okay, let's give you guys some practice. So find the equation of the plane that passes through this point and is parallel to this plane. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so let's just try and understand what this plane looks like. Let's just try and understand what this plane looks like. Investigate by putting 0 into here, putting 0 into here. So when x equals 0 and y equals 0, how high up will it be? It will be 0 plus 0 high up. So it will be 0 high up. So this plane here passes through the origin. It passes through the origin. We are just trying to investigate what this plane looks like. So let's put 1 into here and put 0 into here. So 1 across in the x direction, 0 across in the y direction. How high up will it be? How high up will it be? It will be 1 up. It will be 1 up. So 1 up. That's probably, let's just guess it to be here. So now let's investigate by putting 0 into the x and 1 into the y. So 0 into the x, so that along the x direction it will be 0, along the y direction it will be 1. How high up will it be? How high up will it be? It will be 1 up. It will be 1 up. So let's just guess it to be around here. Remember, this plane passes through the origin. So this plane looks something like this. It will look something like this. This is our plane here. This is our plane here. Well, we want a plane that is parallel to this plane and it passes through this point. So this point being 2 across, 4 across in the y direction, and 6 up. Let's just say it's somewhere around here. So we want the equation of plane that is parallel to this plane and passes through this point. So the trick, well, to do this, we need the normal vector of this plane. So the normal vector would be us rewriting this. Hang on, let me clear this up. The normal vector would be us rewriting this in this form. Once it's in this form, then we can extract the normal vector. So the normal vector would be 1, 1, and negative 1. So we've got the normal vector. And our routine would be, well, it passes through this point. Let's just say this point here is P0. And then our normal routine is to set up a general point. Let's call it P, X, Y, and Z. And then the vector that takes us from P0 to the general point P is given by this, take away this, which will be X minus 2, comma, and then this take away this, y take away 4, and then this take away this, comma, z take away 6. So this vector here from p0 to the general point p is given by this. Okay, so our normal vector is here. The vector that takes us from p0 to our general point is given by this. Now, to describe the plane, we would make the demand that the dot product of this vector and the normal vector to be 0. So we demand this to be 0 in order to describe the equation of the plane. So we will need to take the dot product of this and this. So remember, this vector is given by this. The normal vector is given by this. So dot product will be this times this, plus this times this, plus this times this, and then rewrite this as this. So this is our equation of a plane that is parallel. So this is our final answer here. As it turns out, this plane is exactly the same as this plane here. Is exactly the same. So what it means is that in the original question, I asked you to come up with an equation of a plane that is parallel to this and it passes through this point. Well, as it turns out, this point is on this plane. So the equation of the plane that we're seeking is actually this plane here. Because if you think about it, this is your x, this is your y. So put this into here, and it does equal 6. Well, the final answer is given by this or this. Okay.